Just a quick unboxing video for a USB Type-C 5-port hub by a brand called Omars. So the box itself is actually well packaged. It's got a sort of maroon grape type colour on the background with green highlights. Very nicely packaged indeed. On the inside of the box, of course, we've got the instruction manual. Fairly substantial, well branded, and in lots of different languages. And inside the box, you've got the plastic inner. Let's get that open now. You can see the Omars branded across the front here, and the brand is also down here on the USB Type-C end. 3 ports for USB charging and a power charging point for USB Type-C, and also an HDMI port as well. It's actually well made with some nice finishes on there. The wire is quite substantial. It's a very nice piece of kit.